Watch this video and learn how to draw a Tesla Cybertruck. Later in the video, Bunny Fluffington has a song break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's poetry readings. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, little artists.
Hello, Artie. That was a very nice welcome.
Yeah.
You seem to be in a good mood.
Oh, Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
You know Cybertrucks?
Yeah.
Well, let's draw one.
Okay. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, hello everyone. Hello there, little artists.
Should we begin, Artie? Artie? Artie?
Oh,
Are you ready to begin?
I think I'm ready.
Okay, let's start then. This is going to be
Yeah.
great.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's draw a straight line from the left side of the page going up towards the top. Did you know that's called an angle? An angled line. Now from the end of that line, let's draw another angled line, this time coming down. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Let's draw a short line coming up to the end. That's right. And another short line on the left side. Now a tiny short line from the bottom of the one you just drew. And another angled line on the right side.
I don't know what he's drawing, but it's sure gonna be great!
Thank you, Barry. Thanks for starting all the neighbourhood dogs barking. Oh, I see you've started the front wheel, Artie. That's good. A black circle with a larger circle around it. And then another circle around that one. Take your time, no rush. Now let's shade in the gap between the two circles so that it looks like a black rubber tyre. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington. Hi, Bunny.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi! Ooh, this is so inspiring.
Oh, thank you.
Makes me want to hop over and draw something too.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Well, that was a little bit awkward. That's right, Artie. Keep filling in that tyre nice and black. Take your time. Don't go over the lines. We want it to be nice and neat. You know, apart from the wheels that we're going to draw on this drawing, it's mostly going to be angled lines because the Cybertruck is very angular and chiseled.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
Oh, you do you?
Yeah.
Okay, we can have a song break.
Okay. Song break.
Blue, blue is my truck. Sometimes it gets stuck. Wah! Push and pull. Hurry up, get my stool. Wah! Once it's out, I start to bounce. Up and down, make a sound. Wow! We go left, we go right.
song break.
That was a great one.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Oh, it was so much fun. Artie loves a good song break.
Remember the drawing we were doing before the break?
Yeah.
Let's finish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Artie forgot. Okay.
It's looking good. Watch to the end to see Louis reading some of his famous poetry. You did such a good job on that first wheel, Artie. Now it's time to draw a second one, the rear wheel. Try and make the circles about the same size as the ones you drew on the left. That's right. There's the second circle. Don't forget we need a third one. Just like last time, you can draw it in sections. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we're going to shade it in black and we can improve the shape while we're shading it in. Okay, that's a good start. Now shade the whole thing in black. Take your time, remember, no rush. Shade that tyre in nice and black.
Have you seen Painty around?
Not for a long time, actually, no.
No, neither have I. Uh-oh, here comes Painty.
Very funny.
Barry, it's not funny at all. Painty's made a big mess. There's red paint all over the floor now. Oh, that Painty is so naughty. You're nearly done, Artie. Just a little bit more to shade in. Now let's draw a line all the way across between the two wheels.
Well, yes, but there's a time and place for those kind of shoes, you know what I mean? Oh, hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today's poem is about a little rascal who's usually running around here somewhere called Painty. Here we go. Painty's a tube of bright, bold hue, with a naughty streak and tricks to do. He squirts out colours, splish, splash, splat, making rainbows here and spots like that. He giggles and twirls, creating a mess. He certainly does that. But his art's so wild, we can't help but be impressed. Though he's cheeky, we love him so. I don't know about that. Painty's the star of this colourful show. Well, hold on, he's not the star, darling. I thought that was me. Huh.
Now let's draw some angled lines around the wheels. That's right, Artie. Do a double line so there's one on top of the other. One more line across the top. That's it. The front wheel is done. Let's draw two straight lines coming down. That's for the door. And now a line across the top, following the angles.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Draw a line across. That's showing us the window. Now another straight line down on the side. That's right. And there's the rear window. Let's do some straight lines down. That's the back door. Now Artie, draw those angled lines around the rear wheel, just like you did on the front wheel. You're doing a really good job, Artie. This is a difficult drawing. Wow, I think you might be finished. What do you think, Artie? Are you finished?
I'm finished. Ooh.
I thought you were finished. Great job.
Yeah.
Are you ready to colour it?
Yeah, let's colour it in.
Color it in, Artie!
looks really good, Artie. Just like a real Cybertruck.
Oh, wonderful.
It is.
Artie needs to do another drawing now.
Well, maybe tomorrow, Artie.
Okay.
Good boy.
Okay.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
See you next time.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have an Artie day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, I love it!